Alright guys, mount your camera on a tripod using portrait. You get my point? So this particular one, you don't need to record an empty background. You understand? So just walk in and then you can knock on the wall just like this. Then after that, you wait a little. Then you lean on the wall and then move like that. Just the way you see me do on screen. So you can get exact same result. You get my point? When you are done with this, now save the video to your gallery, then head over to Capcut. Now on this Capcut new project, click on it, import the video you just recorded to Capcut. So there is this particular point I want my video to start. You get my point? So I will just tap on this, the layer here, and click on split. So I will delete the beginning of the video because I don't want that side to be included. This is how I want my video to start. So now I will go over to the end of the video, the ending part of it, how I want it to end. You get my point? So at this point, somewhere here like this, I'm going to tap on this layer here, also tap on split, and delete the ending part of the video. So please pay attention so you will not make mistake. You get my point? So what is going to happen here is this point where I'll be knocking on the wall. At this point where I'll be knocking on the wall, that is where I will have to click on overlay. You get my point? I have to click on overlay. So I will go and import the cracked wall. You get my point? So I will import the effect. So now this is the effect I just brought in. You get my point? If you don't understand, let me know in the comment section you don't understand. So you can adjust this effect. You can turn it to any direction you want it to be. I don't like it in this direction, so I want to change my own direction. I believe you understand. Am I too fast or am I too slow? So I have to turn it to the direction I think will go well with it. So you can get this effect if you go to footagecrate.com. Understand? But the charge, you have to pay money before you get it. But if you want it from me, just chat me on WhatsApp. Understand? Chat me on WhatsApp. I will give it to you for free. I will not collect anything from you. You get my point? I will just give you for free. So that is just it, guys. So now I'll go to transform. I'll click on mirror. Now if you want it to change the direction, you click on transform and then click on mirror. That's why what I did right here. But if your own is okay the way it is, you can leave it like that. So and then position it the way you want it to be. So guys, that's just it on that particular aspect. You get my point? So from here, when you are done positioning it, what you will do next here is to go and look for remove BG. You get my point? Go and look for remove BG. Let's go. Alright guys, look at it here. So click on it. Now go to chroma key, tap on chroma key. Now move this circle to where it to show green, just what you see me do on screen, where it show green. Then tap on intensity, increase to 100. Tap on shadow, increase to 100. And then you will have something like this. You get my point? So you tap on OK. Alright guys, please like this video so YouTube will be able to distribute it to more people. You get my point? So guys, at this point what you need to do is to screenshot this particular place. Just do a screenshot here. Now after screenshotting, you have to work on that screenshot. Now you have to crop it the way you are seeing on your screen. Just crop it like that. So when you are done with the cropping, you save the picture. Just save it straight to your gallery because we are going to use it. You get my point? So make sure you like this video, make sure you share, make sure you comment, you subscribe to this channel so you will not miss out on our simplified tutorial. You get my point? So now you've saved the screenshot. So what you do here, click on add overlay, bring the picture you just saved. Just bring the picture you just saved. Look at it here. Now expand it, make sure it fits to screen, just like what you're seeing on your screen. You place two fingers on your screen to do that. You get my point? So that is just it, guys. So at the end of it, just drag it to get to the end of the video. Just make sure it gets to the very end of the video. So guys, there is something you need to do here. So you pay close attention on this particular place. So what you will have to do from here is you will have to go to remove BG. Now click on remove BG, click on custom remover, tap on it. Now click on brush. We are using brush for this. So you have to brush this part where you are going inside, this particular cracked wall where you are going inside. This is the brush size. You can increase it, you can reduce the brush size, understand? So you can make it big, you can make it small. So I'll have to make it small because I want to line this cracked area. So I have to bring it small so you can line this cracked area. You get my point? So that's just it. So let's do it. Let's do that shit, bro. Alright guys, so if you're a complete beginner and you really want to learn about video editing, you get my point. You want to know how you want to start creating your own videos by yourself, understand, getting green screen effects for free. You get my point? Chat me on WhatsApp. My phone number is in the description of this video. There I'm going to break down everything so you can start creating your own video. Understand? Please take note. Take note, it is not free. It is not free. I charge, though it's affordable. Yes, it's very, very affordable. So when you are done brushing, this is what you get. You understand? So guys, this is just it. So if you have any issue, you can watch this video again. You can watch it again so you will be able to do it. You understand? So guys, let's see what we got.